This actually kind of hurts, so you might want to be gentle. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. Hello, my name is Nicole Marie. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get defined curls like so. So if you want to see how I got defined curls, then keep on watching. First things first, of course, please do me a favor, guys, and can you subscribe to my channel? It would mean so much to me. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I won't keep chit-chatting forever, but I just want to mention I will be posting 3 times a week now, on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So watch out for my videos. You can turn on the notifications and also subscribe if you're not already. But other than that, okay, so I already did this side of my hair. Now I'm just going to do this side using water and the curl enhancing smoothie by Shea moisture, and I'm also going to be using this comb, and that's it. So the easiest way to do this is to split it into sections. Comes out best when you do smaller sections. So I'm just gonna take a small section, clip the rest up, apply some water, I'm going to take some of the curl enhancing smoothie. Make sure to get the ends because those are the most dry. And the ends need the most product for me. Then I'm just going to comb it through using this comb. I'm just going to run it through a few times. To get the product evenly through the hair. And I'm just going to shake the curls to activate them. And voila. I don't think any more near the root. So then shake the curls. This inside of bottom part of my hair is like super curly, it's annoying. Now I'm going to take a different section and do the same process. So, applying water. Pick up this towel. Then applying some product. Comb it through. And shake them curls. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my head the same way. Open up again. I don't know who's really who's fake. It's a lot that's on my plate. 5 years and you left me nothing but an achy heart. And no
knowing that you gave up, baby. It makes me wanna go crazy. You look me in my eyes and told lies. You were shady, I was hurt, I got eyes hazy. I drink the pain away like it would work, or maybe not. I still feel the same way to this day. When will the sun come out for me?
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. As you can see, the curls are way more defined. Let's try to get maybe a closer look. Okay, so as you guys can see, the curls are defined. There's no frizz, which is what I like about it. By defined, I'm meaning, you know, they're all doing something. They're all kind of going and flowing together as one, but not really as one, but sometimes as one, like right here. If you want to get more volume, you can separate the curls. You can also just fluff it up a bit. You can use a pick, but sometimes I just, you know, go like that, or I literally just, this actually kind of hurts, so you might want to be gentle. And then you can style it whatever way you like. I had already parted my hair beforehand, but yeah, this is the finishing look. So this is how I get defined curls. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. It will mean so much to me. So other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. Have a great day. Bye guys.